Machiegni nyako Ramogi koro wadonje weche mag tuke. Jaod bura mogwel Irene Mayaka mawuok e kaunti ma Nyamira oyawo chenro mar piem kata tournament e kaunti ma Nyamira kuno. Jatelo no chako tukego kaka mag jiwo talanta kendo golo rowere timbe ma ok ni kare. Ka oloso nyasi mar yawo tukego e boma ma Nyamira, Mayaka wacho ni tukego biro konyo rowere bende medo jiwo chenro mag pith mag yien kaka yor kedo kod oro.
His younger brother used to school here.
This particular tournament is themed around saving our rivers, climate change. Because you guys know when you drive around near our rivers, you'll notice that we used to have 11 rivers, now we only have 2 that have water. The rest have all literally dried up. Why? Because people have planted the eucalyptus tree next to the wetland area, and the eucalyptus tree is very notorious in terms of inakunywa maji. So it has economical value, but also it's destroying our rivers. So the question is, can we then plant trees that save our rivers, that do not affect our rivers, but still have economical value?
We are going to go out of our way to also facilitate in a big way to ensure that this tournament becomes a success. For a very long time in Nyamira County, we haven't had such initiative, but we have constantly seen other regions bring forth such big tournaments, and they have always succeeded.
I am happy that now you're putting Nyamira in the map. Now this is the goodness of having one of you moving up so they can bring Nyamira to the map.
We are very grateful to you because you have really assisted us a lot. As the FKF Nyamira County Woman Rep, I'm really grateful. You have assisted our girls, and this initiative, I'm very sure it will assist them so that they may go great in matters football.